You're a newbie Facebook Ads Manager, pero you can earn 10,000 per client in just one simple offer. You can even multiply it with 5, 6, or 10. Quick tip dun sa mga gusto kumita ng 10K. Let me share you with, secret sauce ko to na hindi pa alam ng iba, and that I will provide you the detailed explanation. Kaya before, sa TikTok, pa-kalat-kalat kasi ako dun, and one business owner reached me out. Sabi niya, Leah, frustrated kasi ang dami nag-offer ng Facebook ad service, pero lahat kasi ay monthly contract. Sabi niya sa akin, gusto ko lang naman maayos yun ko para makapag-start. I don't know how to set up ads. I don't have any time to self-learn. Napapaisip ba ako worth it? That's when it hit me. Kasi ang daming mga business owners na gusto mag-level up using Facebook ads. May budget, pero takot silang mag-commit monthly. And then, yun nga, sabi ko, walang time mag-self-learn. So, listen closely kasi ito yung exact system na i-share ko sa inyo. Okay? Step 1 is the package creation. Very important nito because you have to name your service. For example, one-time Facebook ads foundation setup, 10K. And then the price point is 10,000. Bakit 10,000? Kasi sweet spot siya. Hindi masyadong mababa, hindi rin masyadong mahal for first-time ads user. And ano yung magiging payment terms dito? Payment terms should be 50% deposit and 50% after sent up. Very important to always get deposit. Number 2 is full service breakdown. Ito yung mga pinakamahalaga sa lahat. Okay? Letter A is the business foundation. Ano yung under ng business foundation? Should be the business manager creation, ad account setup. Mostly naman, one ad account lang yung nasa setup natin kapag bago. Kapag kasi yung client na yun is good payer naman sa ads, Facebook provided them option to create multiple ad accounts. Why? That's under business info. I will deep dive business manager kasi we have that in our course. Next is the payment method integration. Why? Because there are people or businesses o business owners na hindi naman nila alam kung paano mag-add ng payment method doon. You can add in this business foundation. You can offer the business manager creation kung wala pa, the ad account creation for setup, the payment method integration walkthrough. So that's very important. Letter B is the technical setup. Ano ba yung included sa technical setup? Kung may Shopify store sa client or website, you can offer the pixel installation. There are 3 methods depending sa website nila. Number 1, Shopify Direct Install. Kasi meron kang option doon to install Facebook and Instagram. Next is the WordPress plugin method. Number 3 is the GTM for Google Tag Manager installation. Next is the campaign creation. Once na-set up na yung ating technical setup, you should do the campaign creation na. Ano yung included dito? One full campaign. Let's say, for example, 500 pesos per day yung budget niya. May 3 ad sets ka. For example, you have a different targeting in there if you would like to test the old strategy, like you are not using Advantage Shopping Plus campaign. You can use this one full campaign includes kung ano man yung strategy mo based dun sa napag-aralan mo sa Facebook ads. Okay, letter D na included dun sa ating structure is the training package. Ano yung training package? This includes the 1-hour Zoom na nagko-cover ng basic ads manager navigation, budget adjustment guide, meron ka ding performance checking, and basic troubleshooting. Meron ka ding recorded session and PDF guide with screenshot. Then 1-week chat support. In my case, I do offer 2 calls in a month. But in this training package, mas valuable if you can do the 1-hour Zoom call para at least kasi siya na yung maghahawak ng ads niya after ng iyong setup. Budget adjustment guide, so you know how to explain them. Adjust budget. For more performance checking, ano ba yung mga metrics na kailangan nilang i-check? And then some basic troubleshooting. For example, rejected ad, how to do manual reporting. Here's the client acquisition na pwede mong gawin. Okay? Morning routine mo. For example, 9 a.m., mag-check ka ng 5 Facebook groups na about entrepreneurs, online business, mga ganyan, digital marketing, or niche specific. For example, mga beauty business, ganyan. So, i-search mo yung exact keywords like paano mag-ads, how to run ads, help Facebook ads, Facebook marketing. boost post, help, ganun, ads manager setup. Kasi, yun yung mga tao na kailangan ng tulong. I will provide you a sample script na pwede mong i-send dun sa iyo target, dun sa potential client na yan. Here, hi name, napansin ko yung post mo about starting Facebook ads. I'm helping business owners like you na gustong mag-start pero overwhelmed sa setup process. It includes verification, the technical setup, pixel setup, campaign structure. May 1 hour training ako sa'yo personally. Let me know if you want to know more details. Pro tip, Shal, i-target mo yung mga specific industries from highest converting like beauty salon or beauty, food business, online clothing kasi yun yung mga madalas na businesses dito sa Pilipinas. Next is the proof building system. First 3 clients, mag-ask ka ng video testimonial in exchange for 500 pesos. So yung 10K, 9.5 na lang. Kapag pumayag sila na may video testimonial. So kunwari, nagpapo ka ng client na 3 worth 10K, di ba? Bigyan mo sila discount. Okay, 9.5 na lang. But can you provide me some video testimonials? So, discounted na. And then, screenshot mo yung before and after na account setup. And you can ask a voice message feedback sa client na nakuha mo. Then, you can add it in your mga results. So, that's how you can create your portfolio. Payment structure is GCash pwede. GCash, BPR, BDO. Sa ibang bahala doon. 50% upon booking. Now, question is, anong industry yung gusto mong i-target? Comment mo sa comment section. Let me know kung ano mo. That's it. And hopefully nakatulong. Share this video if you would like someone na kailangan ng tips na to. Follow me, subscribe for more freelancing and Facebook ads tips.